Good morning, everyone. The topic of our presentation is smart and adaptive lighting in street and traffic lights using IoT with embedded air purifier. Here is the overview of the model. We have created a straight road and a junction to show the smart street lighting and smart traffic lighting system. These are the piezoelectric sensors which are being used to generate electricity. This is the main circuit of our model. It consists of an Arduino Mega microcontroller which is controlling the entire system, and along with it a LCD display is placed. We have placed 3 pair of street light along with IR sensors to detect vehicle and pedestrians. Behind them there is a LDR which is sensing the atmospheric lights. This is the model which we have used for testing purpose. In this we have used jumper cables along with breadboard to test different sensors. In this model, we have placed 5 pair of street lights. We tested everything on this model and then placed the sensors on our main model. Now shown is the street light embedded air purification system, which incorporates 2 air cleaning chambers along with a free passage for air to flow. This is a MQ2 sensor. It is connected to Node MCU to sense the pollution and smoke level and transfer the data to application. This is our traffic density analyzer system, which will sense the density of traffic and will command the traffic lights to work accordingly. This is the overall look of our project. We have created a mobile application which can be used to control the entire system. When adequate amount of light is not present, the system turns itself on, and when there is sufficient light, it turns itself off. Now let's understand the smart feature of street lights. As you can see that when a car passes by, the adjacent light turns itself to its maximum capacity, and as the car moves further, the previous light returns back to its minimum capacity. The dimming functionality of our system can save approximately 30% of the energy expenses. Now comes our testing model. For depiction, I am using my hand to show the functionality of IR sensors. When I place my hand near IR sensor, it turns the corresponding street light to its maximum intensity. In this model, we used Arduino Uno microcontroller. Fault tolerance is one of the major features of our project. In this, we can see that the mobile app is reacting when a hindrance is created in the lights. It means whenever a light will get breakdown, it will indicate on the app. For example, if the whole system is on, both the lights are green. When I create hindrance in the first light, it shows on the app. Similarly, with the second street light, it is shown on the app. Maintenance is one of the major expenses of a city that is done on street lights. By this model, we can reduce a large amount of money that is used for maintenance.
This is smart traffic light system. In this system, we have built 4 traffic light which consists 3 LEDs each that are connected to the Arduino Mega board directly. They work normally, but to make them smart, we have added 4 IR sensors in either sides of the road. These IR sensors measures the density of traffic on the road. When they detect traffic, the light turns green. After a certain time, it comes back to red. Now we have built an emergency green passage for emergency vehicles. Here is a receiver between the traffic lights and the transmitter on a vehicle. When the transmitter comes in the range of the receiver, the light turns green. This means we are giving the priority for the emergency vehicles such as ambulance and fire brigade. This is piezo sensor. These help to generate energy. These materials vibrate so that mechanical energy can be converted into electrical energy and a good alternative for solar panels. This makes the life self-sufficient.
Street light embedded air purifier. Air pollution is a major problem across the globe. To purify the polluted air purifier is primarily needed. Hence, in the model, we created an air purifier which works on the principle of ionization. The output of this is a purified air which is free from carbon and other polluting factors. The air purifier used in our model purifies air at a very moderate cost and can also provide real-time analytics regarding the air quality of its surroundings. Here, as you can see, the air purifier consists of two chambers, each consisting of aluminium sheets and copper pins. The air purifier works with the circuit as shown below. The circuit is designed using step-up transformer, capacitors and diodes. The circuit makes use of a 9-volt battery to produce high input voltage. Inside the chambers, as you can see, the aluminium sheets are connected with negative wires and the copper pins are connected with positive wire. You can also see input and output vent for the toxic air and the purified air respectively. Here we show the working of air purifier model. We are using an incense stick to show air pollution. The polluted air enters the air purifier from an inlet vent. The chamber gets filled with the polluted air. As you can see, we have not switched on our air purifier, hence the polluted air is coming out of the outlet vent without being purified. As we turn on our air purifier, the air reaches the chamber. The high input voltage leads to the breakdown of air particles, and the air particles acquire charge. The positively charged copper pins attract the negatively charged impurities in the air, and the negatively charged aluminium sheets attract the positively charged impurities present in the air. Hence, the output of purification is a purified air. MQ2 sensor is used to measure the air quality before and after the purification process. MQ2 data is visualized on the Blink application. As you can see, after switching on the air purifier, the amount of pollutants are reducing, as the gauge meter reading is shown. Again, after switching off the air purifier, it reaches back to its maximum position and readings. In this way, we can perform analysis for calculation of efficiency of air purifier using Blink app data.